In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to tap on Settings and scroll down to access Lock Screen and Wallpaper. Then hit Theme at the top right corner and select Download More at the bottom. You can also just find Themes app and click on it. Either way, when you're ready, select Themes at the top, pick one of those, click on Categories to select the best one, or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. When you're ready, click on your new theme, select Download, and hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, go back to the same settings, in Devices Settings, select Theme, and tap on Atmosphere under System Themes. Then hit Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!